Once again, the silver surge continues. Will it continue this week all the way past $80 an ounce? Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy coffee right here. Coffee, happy coffee, everybody. Good morning. It's Tuesday. We got big news, big things happening for silver and gold. Once again, all of our precious metals are flying off the shelves, everybody. They're flying off the shelves. Things are going crazy. But before we get started, let me tell you how much we appreciate you on our channel. And what you've done for me has been phenomenal throughout 2025. We continue to really drive hard in 2026. We're growing by leaps and bounds. We're 5 away from 5,000 subscribers, and we're going to be giving a Goldback and a triangular copper libertad to two lucky winners when we hit that 5,000 subscribers. And when we hit 6,000, which will be quick, we're going to give 3 more away, 1 to each individual person, commenter, subscriber, whatever you might be. So a couple really cool giveaways to give away, thanks to one of our viewers and that donated some stuff to us. We appreciate him very, very much. Now, gold and silver overnight once again have exploded, and we're going to go over that. What is causing all this stuff to blow up like this? Everybody comment. All you long-term stackers that have been doing this for a long time. Let's hear your input on this. That's what this channel is all about. I can't make everybody happy, and I lose some subscribers, and I chap some viewers. I can't help that. If you chap me, I might chap you, right? But don't get your feelings hurt. Like I said, if I come back and comment and it makes you mad, and you come back and comment and you tell me that, hey, SSC, I watched you, it's been good for a while, but I'm going to have to unsubscribe from you now. And so shame on you. Folks, I don't do this. You're not hurting me. I love you. You know I do, and I appreciate you, but you're not hurting me by telling me that I'm a bad person and you're going to unsubscribe from me. I don't make a ton of money doing this. I don't do this as a business. I have a job, a regular job. So I do this for fun. I do this to meet new friends online, and I may not get to see you. You get to see me, but I do appreciate you. So if you don't want to watch my channel, and if you don't like the fact that I make a copper video every now and then that's okay. You can go watch someone else. I'm not, forcing you to do anything, but I really appreciate what you've done for me, and you all know that. And that's my rant for this morning. And gosh, we are really blowing up on this channel. So I want to tell you guys, thank you. Like I said, I'm the quarterback. I throw the passes, but you catch them and you drive downfield. So we thank you so very, very much. Let's get moving on gold and silver, everybody. Happy coffee once again. Throat noises, and allergies and bad to the bone. And what is this? Pecan, Southern pecan. Yeah, my new one. I'm waiting on the other stuff to come in. I've had this for a while, but man, it is fantastic. I got to switch off the breakfast blend every now and then, though. 44.50 on gold this morning. It is, it's driving really, really good. It's not up like it has been. It's up like $2.20. and gold has been up quite a bit since then. That's moot. I'm getting that glare again, as you all know, and it bugs the crud out of me. But anyway, so it's not, now we're 44, 50, 50. Okay, so it was going up like $50. I mean, 25, 50, and now we're at 30 cents up. Now it's up from yesterday, so we're at 44, 58, 50 actually. And silver's actually down just a little bit. It was 77.65 right now, and it has been teeter-tottering over $78. And yeah, it's 77.90 earlier, but we're down a little bit, but it's up $1.10. Is it going to hit 80 this week? Let's talk about that. Tell me, what do you guys think? Is it going to hit 80 this week? I think it will. I think the COMEX is trying to pull all this stuff back once again, and we'll see. I mean, it was 77.90, and the COMEX is stuck. Where's it sitting at real quick on silver? It's at 77.73. So it was 77. What was it? 77.60. The COMEX was, and silver was at 77.90, and it kept, I don't know, man. It's just crazy stuff. And it'll drive you nuts sometimes when you look at the silver prices and the gold prices every day, because, hey, everybody wants their investment to go up in value. And I do too. But we also want it to go down so we can buy more and then wait it out, like I've waited it out, like you waited it out, and watch it go up. So that's what this game is all about. It's a waiting game, right? So if you buy high, then you got to wait it out and just keep holding it until it hits that magic number of it's time for you to sell. So I'm not going to sell. I'm going to keep what I got because I know silver is going to skyrocket. Now it's up 77.73. Platinum, everybody, platinum, $22.96. It's up $21. Platinum is a huge winner so far. It's skyrocketed up. In 2025, we were right a little over $900 right around April, and here we are, $22.96. It's up $21. Guys, platinum has really, really done well, and our inside guy said that's what was going to happen, and it pretty much happened in December. So he was right on the money. Palladium is down this morning, not much, but it's down. It's at $16.97. It's well below platinum. There for a little while, they were really close to each other. So it's down $4. Our gold to silver ratio, everybody, 57-22. Wow, 57-1. Just keeps creeping down. We're going to be 55-1 if this silver keeps rocking and rolling, everybody. I mean, throat noises. It's just going to rock it, man. So Goldbacks, they follow that gold market. I had one of my viewers ask me, so what about the premiums on Goldbacks and the premiums on copper, blah, 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 blah. Well, Goldbacks are different. Yes, they have a premium, but they follow the gold market and they have an exchange value. So their intention is to be used as a bartering instrument, as a negotiating a currency for products and goods and services. So they are taking off like crazy. I'm not really spending mine. I'm keeping them. These are, the Goldbacks are for the grandkids. And I think the Goldbacks are going to be worth a ton of money. We pretty much got into them early, maybe not so early, about 5 years in, since they've been doing it, 6 years now. They're at 887 exchange rate. Beautiful artwork, beautiful Goldbacks. If y'all remember, they came out with a silverback. It really wasn't, the intention really wasn't like the Goldbacks. So, but they're still really cool, and they've gone up in value because, of course, they don't make them anymore, but they've gone up quite a bit. Try to find a silverback and see what you're going to pay for it. So, let's go to our base metals. Let's go to copper. Copper's on the move. I saw copper at $5.90, almost $6, getting so close. It's at $5.84.94, $5.84, $5.84 a pound. Now, in 2026, there's a lot of things going on. Industrial things are going to drive copper prices way up. You can't find copper. If you're looking, well, you might be able to find scrap copper. You might be able to go search scrap copper. Yeah, you could probably do that. But are you going to be able to find any minted copper? Any copper that is a beautiful copper, a germanium, a Geiger, some of the 5-ounce, beautiful 5-ounce like Buffalo rounds and stuff. Some of them are out there. But to find, go look at JM Bullion and ATMEX and Money Metals and DB Metals. Look at all those. You can't get them. They're all sold out, everybody. With silver prices skyrocketing, many people are turning to alternative metals. And copper is one of them. And they believe in them. And that's okay, everybody. We all have our own way of doing things. And it's okay for you to do that. It's okay for you to buy the copper. It's okay for me to buy copper. I love copper. I love silver. That's my first one. That's why I have this silver stacker cracker. Silver, gold, Goldbacks, and copper for me. I love copper. And they're worth money. There's no reason to comment when I talk about copper, about the premiums and all that stuff, and throw all these big numbers at me, mathematical equations and all that. Guys, you don't have to do that. I mean, you're not telling me something I haven't heard before. So copper is going to be a great one for everybody. You're not going to get rich on it right away. It's a much longer hold than any of the metals, but I still believe that copper is a big one for the future. Bitcoin. Now, I would rather hold copper than Bitcoin, okay? That's just the truth. Bitcoin is way more riskier, in my opinion. I'm not going to get in Bitcoin. I'm not telling you that don't get in Bitcoin. You can do whatever you want. Nobody is forcing you to not invest in Bitcoin, but it's very volatile, in my opinion. It's at 93,564. Today, it could go down to 80,000 or 70,000 that quick, or somebody could steal it, hack into your wallet or hack into your computer or however it works. But there are some people that have made a lot of money, so they've done pretty good at it. So Bitcoin's at 93,564.97. The price drivers today, COMEX on silver is at 77.73. And COMEX, these are futures, everybody. This is paper. I don't do that. I'm looking at them just because I wanted to show you guys. 44.59.50 on gold. So futures, metals. That's what I hold. That's what our stacks are worth, guys. So right now, an overview. 44.50 on gold. It's up $2.30. Our silver's at 77.82 now. 77.82. Now, I believe it's going to bounce over 78 today. That is my prediction for today. Could it possibly hit 80 today? Well, look what it did yesterday. Yesterday it went, golly, what, $3, $4? Boom, up just like that. Could silver hit 80 today? It is a possibility. Could it go down? There's another possibility. I mean, what goes up must come down. And that's the truth. It's a fact. So things come up, things go down, especially when it comes to trading, whether it be metals or stocks and bonds and everything else. That stuff comes up and goes down. Frankly, my 401k, it freaking lost 5%. And I'm like, okay, what do I need to invest this in? Silver. So guess what I did? This is what I did. I'm not telling you to do this, but I cashed in quite a bit of my 401k and I invested it in silver. So we don't keep that silver here. I mean, that silver is definitely in a nice, safe place. So you'll never see that. But it is physical. So I'm happy about that. So that's what I did. Because my 401k was just not performing, everybody. It was just doing crap. There wasn't anything I could do. I just must have not been investing in the right stuff. But as I kept seeing silver rocketing, and the returns are just fantastic, that's what I did. So 77.80 on silver right now. Platinum is at $22.99, almost $2,300. $24 up for the day so far. Our markets are rocking and rolling. We're open. Palladium 1703. It's up $2. Really hadn't changed. Rhodium is at $9,500. Golly. Rhodium, I'm going to apologize once again. You have outstroked SSC on this one. I would have never thought, but now the asking price is $10,000. But hey, I don't do rhodium. If you guys have some rhodium, fantastic. I think Joe up in California, he's got some rhodium plated stuff. And well, you're doing pretty good right now, bud. So the gold to silver ratio, 57.20, everybody. Goldbacks still at 887. Copper is at 585 now. How about nickel, 791? Aluminum, $1.37. Thanks all over the world. Thanks, United States of America, for watching our channel. I appreciate you. I'm glad you're part of this family. Make sure everybody to comment, hit that like button, share it. Let's blow this channel up. We appreciate you guys. You are part of the family. You are the team. And I do appreciate you. If I don't get to your comments, just ASAP, understand that we're at a point where I can't do it all. I can't have a full-time job and concentrate on the channel all the time. So I have to do it when I get home. So I put a lot of time into this. So I'll comment just as soon as I possibly can. So if I haven't commented, please forgive me. Sometimes it might take 2 or 3 days. I'll do my best. Everybody have a great Tuesday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Everybody have a fantastic Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow. SSC, Oklahoma, United States. We're out.